everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 15 Pro and Max. This works on all three of those models. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see it, you can release. And while I'm telling you guys what to do, you may as well subscribe to the channel at the same time. There you guys go, you can release. And there you guys go.